Is your Orbi router refusing to connect to your PS5? Frustrating, right? Having robust and reliable internet connectivity is crucial for gaming, but sometimes your Orbi might not function as expected when connecting to your PS5. Fortunately, there are several ways to tackle this issue. In this guide, we'll delve into effective solutions for solving the problem of Orbi not connecting to your PS5, ensuring you can get back to enjoying a seamless gaming experience. Step 1. Check your network setting. Before diving into more complex troubleshooting, let's start with basics. Checking your network setting. Power cycle your device. Turn off your PS5 and unplug the Orbi router from the power source. Wait for about a minute, then plug the router back in and turn on your PS5. This simple trick can often resolve temporary connectivity glitches. Verify network credentials. If you've recently changed your Wi-Fi password, ensure your PS5 settings reflect the new credentials. Go to your PS5's network settings and update the password if necessary. Place devices properly. Ensure your Orbi router is placed in an open, central location away from obstructions or other electronic devices that could interfere with the signal. Step 2. Optimize your Orbi settings. If the basic checks don't solve the issue, optimizing your Orbi settings might do the trick. Access your Orbi dashboard. Using a computer connected to the network, open a browser and enter http://orbilogin.com to access the Orbi dashboard. Log in with your username and password. Check for firmware updates. Navigate to the firmware updates section in the dashboard. Download and install any available updates. Updated firmware can resolve bugs and improve connectivity. Disable beamforming. Some users have reported that disabling beamforming on their Orbi improves connectivity with the PS5. This feature is supposed to enhance performance, but if it's causing issues, try turning it off to see if there's an improvement. Step 3. Reconfigure your PS5 network. Sometimes the issue lies with your console rather than your network. Set up a manual IP address. Within the PS5 network settings, configure a static IP address within your Orbi's range. This step can help stabilize the connection by eliminating potential IP conflict. Choose the right frequency band. Ensure your PS5 is set to connect to the optimal frequency band. 5 GHz band usually offers faster speeds and lower latency compared to the 2.4 GHz band, assuming your PS5's location supports it. Step 4. Utilize wired connection for stability. When all else fails, consider switching to a wired connection to enhance stability. Connect via Ethernet. For the most stable connection, use an Ethernet cable to connect your PS5 directly to the Orbi. This method eliminates interference and provides a steady connection, ideal for gaming. Check cable and ports. Ensure that the Ethernet cable is not damaged and securely plugged into both the router and the PS5. Faulty cables or loose connections can disrupt your internet stability. Fixing your Orbi's connectivity issues with the PS5 might require a bit of patience and some trial and error, but following these steps can set you on the path to seamless gaming. Whether optimizing your router settings, adjusting your PS5 configuration, or considering a wired connection for the ultimate stability, there's a solution for everyone. Remember, regular maintenance like firmware updates and proper device placement can prevent future hiccups. Happy gaming!